Idaho chamfer foil, and I'm gonna do just about half of the nails, and I want to do the French looks on this one. So basically you draw it like the chevron on the nail first, and then we're gonna perfect it using the twin tip brush. Get a little bit of chamfer foil gel, and then we're gonna perfect it. Just like draw the smile line. There you go. And then I will add some of the veining on it shortly, so you can definitely make it really, really perfect. If you feel like you want to, you don't have to.
Okay, so the color for the blue is number 37, teal.
Okay, here for 30 seconds. This is a color. I love it how it had the swatch right on the top of the cap, so then it's for your convenience. Right there. All right, so I'm gonna give you a little bit of fun, cute things on this one. Drop just one drop of premium Idaho chamfer foil there. And I'm just like get a little bit of kind of cute veinings. This is a premium Idaho chamfer foil, that what I'm using right now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for also 30 seconds. This one is ready for me to transfer. Can I move this one away?
Yeah.
Let me know if you need to see the name again. I'll be right on my way. So same thing with this. You can move your image however you want. Like until you are thinking of the... Maybe this right here has had a lot of daisies. Right there. Give it a good rub. If you need to, definitely the dual end tweezers is gonna be it's gonna be helpful. All right. And just remove it. I want to do slow so you can see that how it chamfer beautiful.
I thought you were gonna do that. Oh.
No, I'm gonna put some crystal on there. All right, so now hold for a second. We are going to add some of the premium Idaho chamfer foil again. As I say, this Bessie will definitely back you up every single time when you do premium Idaho, when you do a chamfer foil image. And also it helps to encapsulate yours really cute dramatic glitter, as well as even is your stickers. You can definitely add on the top of the chamfer foil if you want it to have a double secure, so then the edges of the sticker were not gonna pop up if you are just stick it on the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like outline the smile line right there, and then here for 30 seconds. If you don't want anything else, if you just need to using line art, you can definitely put it right away. Or if you want to using a gel painting with golden touch, you can definitely do it. But I'm going to show you how you can achieve this fun, like have a holo looks or any of the different highlights or outline for your foil image. Did I cut one of those pieces? This one? Did I drop it? Can you cut it again for me? I think I cut it, but then no, this is a different one. I remember I cut it. It must falling somewhere. So I'm using the holo foil from my box, but I'm gonna open this one and cut one pieces. I know where the pieces I cut earlier, but we're cutting the new one. All right. So only I need is to lay it right on the top. That's the reason why I said that we apply the matte top coat right on the top. So then this is all the pieces of the foil will not stick on any residues of the foil. Cool. Just randomly, you can do however. You can do it something like this, you know, like this, however you want. It is no limit of what you can create with your designs. And then now we are going to do the fringe. Okay, that's it. If you miss any spot, press it down. And here you have the look. What's that?
Nice, pretty.